Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Iron Man on drums. We'll start by breaking down the foundational groove. This classic Black Sabbath track, featuring Bill Ward's drumming, is played at a steady 74 beats per minute in a 4/4 time signature. Begin by establishing a solid, consistent quarter note pulse on your bass drum. This builds the essential endurance and feel needed for the entire song. Next, we'll dive into the iconic main riff and Bill Ward's signature drum fills. These fills are a hallmark of the song, often featuring intricate 16th note patterns between the snare and bass drum. You'll need to develop strong coordination to execute the rapid bass drum accents accurately. Practice these sections slowly to ensure precision before increasing your tempo. Now, let's explore the dynamic shifts between the verses and choruses. Bill Ward masterfully uses variations in hi-hat and ride cymbal patterns to create different feels. Listen for subtle flams and ghost notes that add depth to the rhythm. Focus on smooth transitions between the main groove and these more intricate sections to maintain the song's flow. To truly master Iron Man, consistent and smart practice is key. Always start at a very slow tempo, focusing on accuracy and feel, then gradually increase your speed. Prioritize building bass drum endurance and refining your overall limb coordination. Using drumless tracks or detailed sheet music will greatly enhance your practice sessions, helping you internalize every nuance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.